Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. So let me open my TikTok application here. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap on these three bars in the top right corner and then simply tap on this settings and privacy. At the very top, let's choose account here and you can see there is switch to personal account or you have to tap on this switch to business account. I already have a business account switched and go through the process of switching to a business account. This gives you more feature in terms of monetization as well as the analytics or insights. After you go through that process, we can just go back on the profile page here. Now tap on these three bars again and you can see this option creator tools or TikTok studio. You can tap on it. Now you can see analytics, but below this it's monetization. So let's say view all. So tap on view all next to it and you can see the various programs for you. If you are eligible to turn on monetization for subscriptions, create a rewards program, video gifts, create a monetization, creator marketplace, any of these different ones, just tap on it. So as you can see, I am not eligible yet because I don't have 10,000 followers. So you have to make it before toggling this on. And as you can see in the top left corner, there is $0. This is the amount you will receive. Now it's currently zero, but when you have the threshold amount, you can easily withdraw to any bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.